Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the best auto clickers for Android. Alright, let's begin. At number 5, we have Macroify Image Auto Clicker. This app lets you automate screen interactions by detecting images and recognizing text. You can record and replay tabs, adjust timing, and even create a custom interface. No special permissions are required, and it works with full screen apps. It also features a macro store for sharing and downloading user-created macros. Number 4 is Auto Clicker Lite. This app allows automatic tapping without special permissions. You can customize click positions, frequency, and duration. It includes swipe functions, a timer, and a user-friendly interface. You can show or hide menu options easily. It's ideal for basic tasks, but lacks advanced features like image detection. At number 3, we have Auto Clicker Auto Tapper. It's simple and free, letting you automate taps and swipes. You can control click frequency, repeat count, and gesture size. It doesn't support image or text recognition, but includes task scheduling. No special permissions are needed, and it's easy to use. Number 2 is Click Assistant Auto Clicker. This app records and replays gestures with adjustable settings. Finally, number 1 is Auto Clicker Automatic Tap by True Developers Studio. It offers customizable taps, swipe options, timers, script import-export, and a smooth interface. It runs efficiently and doesn't drain your battery. So that's basically the best auto clickers for Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.